Friends, in the last period we were solving the numericals, and the numericals are so many, and you should do the practice at home. And actually, when you will practice, when you will solve problems, numericals, and again after solving the solved numericals, after noting down in your notebook, try to solve unsolved numericals. So this will increase your confidence and you will be able to solve any numericals. So again today I will teach you, I will give you guidance regarding the numericals. See, from the book, calculate. So see, again, calculate the number of moles for the following. Calculate the number of moles. Calculate the number of moles for the following. So, number 1, 52 gram of helium. Number 1, 52 gram of helium. So, see, finding the mole from mass. And number 2, 12.044. Number 2, 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23. 23 number of helium atoms. Number of He atoms. He atoms means helium atoms. So remember. And here, you know, number of helium atoms, and here 52 gram of helium. Though now the molecular mass of the helium is 4. So we will solve as first numerical, first part. Number of moles. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass or molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass or molecular mass. So given mass 52, molar mass 4 is equal to 30 moles of helium. 13 moles of helium. So first 13 moles of helium. Then second part. So here we are solving second part. And in the second part, 1 mole or 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms is equal to 1 mole. Is equal to 1 mole. Now see, helium is monoatomic element. Here you write down. Helium is monoatomic element. Helium is monoatomic element. Now monoatomic element means when we write He, it is atom as well as molecule. So helium means atom as well as molecule. So here you are given 6.022 into 10 raised to power 20. Here you are asked to find out the number of moles of 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 number of helium atoms. Now you know 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms or molecules as for helium, and as 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms is equal to 1 mole, and thus 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to how many mole? So 12.044 divided by into 10 to the power 23 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this will come out to be 2. Have got the idea? All of you have got the idea? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms or molecule is equal to 1 mole for helium, because helium is a monoatomic molecule. Helium is a monoatomic molecule, and therefore this much number of atoms or this much number of molecule is equal to 1 mole of helium. Clear? And therefore 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to 2 moles. So 2 moles. Note down, writing is most essential, because only after writing you will understand the concept clearly. Even though without writing, if you understand, you will forget it. And therefore writing is very essential. Those who are reading only and not writing anything will not score good marks. Remember, to develop confidence, to increase the confidence, the writing is very essential. So without writing, one cannot score out of marks. So if you want to score 100% mark, the writing is essential, or many times writing is essential. Remember, so reading for many times as well as writing for many times is essential. If you will not write, if you won't do the writing practice, you will not score the good marks. You will forget it, and it is the tendency of the human being to forget. So in order to store the concept in the long memory of the brain, the writing is essential. Remember, so never forget to write. Even if in the class, if your teacher is teaching, write few lines only. So these few lines will make you perfect. Remember. Next. Next is calculate the molar mass of the following substances. Calculate the molar mass of the molar mass of the following substances. Molar mass of the following substances. Molar mass of the following substances. Number 1, ethyne. Now ethyne, I tell you another name, acetylene. Ethyne is the IUPAC name and acetylene is the common name, and having formula C2H2 or structural formula CHC. Structural formula HC triple bond CH. sulfur molecule. Number three, potassium, phosphorus molecule. Phosphorus molecule. Phosphorus molecule. P4. Atomic mass 31. Here atomic mass of sulfur 32. So then the D, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, and number 5th, nitric acid. Nitric acid formula HNO3. So calculate the molar mass of the following. Acetylene. Now see molar mass. You know atomic mass of carbon is 12. So see 12 multiplied by 2 plus 2 into 1 or 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Or you can write 2 into 1. So 2 hydrogen atom into 1. So is equal to 24 plus 2 is equal to 26. So molar mass of the acetylene is 26. So molar mass 26. Then sulfur molecule S8. S8. So 32. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32. And sulfur molecule is octatomic. S means atom of the sulfur. And S8. S8 is the molecule of the sulfur. Remember. So sulfur molecule is octatomic. Octatomic means one molecule of the sulfur is consisting of 8 atoms. So 32 into 8 is equal to 56. So molar mass of sulfur. Then phosphorus P4. 31 into 4 is equal to 124. Then HCl. HCl 1 plus 35.5 is equal to 36.5. Then HNO3. So here hydrogen 1, nitrogen 14 plus oxygen 3 into 16 is equal to 48 plus 14 plus 1, 63. So it is a 63. So molar mass of the acetylene is 26. Molar mass of the sulfur is 256. P4 124. HCl 36.5 and HNO3 atomic. So see, molar mass is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in the molecule. So H1, nitrogen 14, oxygen 3 into 16 is equal to 63. So in this way, this is about molar mass. Convert. What is the mass of A? 1 mole of nitrogen atoms. What is the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom? Who will tell me? So see, I am taking your live session after 10 to 15 minutes. And after live session, in the live session, I will ask you. So see, 1 mole of nitrogen atoms. 1 mole of nitrogen atom. Now nitrogen atom, atomic mass is 14. Molecular mass of nitrogen is 28. Because nitrogen molecule is diatomic. Nitrogen molecule is diatomic. Diatomic N2. N2 is the diatomic molecule. It consists of two atoms and therefore we say it is a diatomic molecule. Its atomicity is 2. Its atomicity is 2. Now, when we take mass equal to its atomic mass, then then mass of the 1 mole of nitrogen atoms. 1 mole of nitrogen atom. See again. Have you noted this? One mole of nitrogen atom. 1 mole of nitrogen atom is equal to 7 gram. Atomic weight, when expressed in gram, it is called gram atomic weight, and 1 gram atomic weight is equal to 1 gram of atom. It is also indicated as 1 gram mole, 1 gram of atom. And you know 6.1 mole of 1 mole of nitrogen atom. 1 mole of nitrogen atom is equal to 7 gram is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Clear? So 1 mole of nitrogen atom having mass 7 gram. 4 moles of aluminium atoms. 4 moles of aluminium atom. So 4 moles of aluminium atoms. So 1 mole of Al is equal to 27 grams. Hence 4 mole. Hence 4 mole of Al is equal to 27 into 4 is equal to 108 grams. There. Then 10 moles of sodium sulfide. So see here, 10 moles of sodium sulfide. 10 moles of sodium sulfide, formula Na2SO3. So see, 23 into 2, atomic mass of sodium 23, 2 atoms multiplied by 2 plus sulfur 32 plus 16 multiplied by 3 is equal to, आता किती आहे 46 plus 32 plus 48 plus 48. So 50, 80, 80 plus 46 is equal to 126. And into 10, this is mass of 1 mole of Na2SO3, and hence mass of 10 mole of Na2SO3 is equal to 126 into 10 is equal to 1260. So in this way you can solve it. Again, if you are having difficulties in the live session, I will solve your difficulty. Jaiswal sir. Oh, Jaiswal sir. Yeah. चला आता हे टॉपिक झालं मला.